Hey, YouTube creators. Welcome back to Career Canva, where we're all about helping you level up your YouTube game. If you've been struggling to get your videos noticed, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of YouTube SEO and unlocking the secrets to boost your visibility. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our insider tips. Want to know the secret sauce to making your videos stand out in a sea of content? It all starts with mastering the art of keyword research. Stick around, and we'll show you how to crack the code and get your videos the attention they deserve. Picture this. You've poured your heart and soul into creating an amazing video, but it's not getting the views it deserves. Why? It's all about the keywords. The first step is to brainstorm potential keywords related to your video's topic. What are your viewers searching for? Let's find out. Now that you have a list of potential keywords, it's time to kick things up a notch. Utilize powerful tools like Google Trends and YouTube's autocomplete feature to supercharge your keyword brainstorming. But we're not stopping there. Let's dive deeper with the big guns, like Google Keyword Planner and TubeBuddy, to uncover the hidden gems that will set your video apart. With a treasure trove of keywords at your disposal, it's time to play detective. Look for keywords with a sweet spot, decent search volume, and low competition. These are the golden nuggets that will give your video the best chance to shine in search results. Now that you've got your winning keywords, let's sprinkle that magic dust on your video. Optimize your title, description, and tags with your main keyword. But here's the pro tip: keep it natural. Balancing optimization with valuable content is the key to success. Remember, cracking the code to YouTube SEO is an ongoing journey. Keep testing different keywords to see what resonates with your audience. It's a dynamic process that requires constant monitoring and adjustments. But trust me, the results are worth it. There you have it, fellow creators. The ultimate guide to unlocking YouTube SEO secrets and propelling your videos to new heights. Start brainstorming, leverage powerful tools, optimize your videos, and watch your views and subscribers skyrocket. Happy ranking, and until next time, keep creating and innovating.